Hey YouTube, so this is Sunday. I never work on a Sunday, or a Saturday usually, but I've just been so busy. I'm really running out of choices when it comes to customers that have been using me for years, and it's difficult to say no. So I'm working today to help this good customer of ours. Spends a lot of money with us. He owns a lot of properties, and he, you know, you got to go the extra mile sometimes. So this is a big house. We have 9.5 areas. Right, so this is one of the rooms. I've got the family helping with me today, so we can knock this out real quick. This is a hallway. Second bedroom, third bedroom. Carpet's not too bad. I've done this property. There's the fourth bedroom. My kids are teenagers now, so they have a little bit of an attitude. That's okay though. So this is the living room, living area. This is bedroom number 5. Not too bad. Like I said, this is a pretty big property. Everything nice and green. And we have this staircase. And then we have an oversized basement. This counts as 2 areas. So, like a little bit of a gym area, or a little entertainment area. So, I'm hoping to get this knocked out in about 3 hours. This job's going to pay $500. Alright, I'll show you some cleaning while we're working, but there won't be too much cleaning videos on this one, because I really want to get it done. It's Sunday. We've got a walk-in closet there as well. There we go. Alright, and it looks like they've vacuumed, but we will be redoing the vacuuming, because if you people that know me, they know I'm big on vacuuming. That's just how I am. Alright, keep watching. So look how much we got out of just one room. That's crazy, because the customer already vacuumed. Look, that's a lot of soil. If you added water to that, it's not coming out of the carpet as easy. Alright, keep watching. We just finished spraying this room, so everything's a little damp. Just gonna give it another minute or 2, just to dwell. Let's move forwards with the cleaning process. Okay, so third bedroom done. I didn't record this one because we have to get moving and hustling. But it came out nice. That's the second bedroom we did. It's starting to brighten up now. It's drying. And this is the first bedroom we did, and it's definitely starting to brighten up now. Let's turn these lights off. So we're going to keep hustling. Okay, fourth bedroom done. Hallway, just got that finished. This was the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Everything is starting to look good. So that's upstairs done. Now we're going to go downstairs. This area here has just been vacuumed, and I just sprayed it all down with Hydrox. This one's pretty bad. It's in pretty bad shape. Let's see how good we can make it. Okay, we're gonna let that dwell 5 minutes and we'll come back to it. The rest of the carpet, it's just got these little spots here to take care of. So let's see how this comes out. So it's lightened up a lot, and I believe this product will keep working until it dries, and these stains should almost vanish. We'll check on that later. It's what we call an oversized basement. So this area is being cleaned. You see, you can obviously see my lines that I like to leave. And when I clean oversized areas like this, I like to treat them like there's an invisible wall and do them in areas. So this part here counts as one area, and then the rest will count as a different area. Obviously it's all been vacuumed, I've just got to wet it down. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Okay, so we're nearly done. Now, people think I might be a little crazy or OCD when I talk about nice, clean, straight lines. But what you got to remember is this is what your customer's going to see when, you know, before it looks like crap, and now it just looks so much better, and the lines are nice and clean. It just looks so much better. You're going to get paid a lot easier when your customer sees this. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm going to carry on proceeding now. Just a staircase and the living area to do, and then we can go home. Okay, we are finished. So you can see the bedroom over there. I'm not going to walk across there, but them spots did virtually fade and disappear, so you couldn't see them anymore. Over here, you see this here. This is called carpet pooling. And what's happening is the fibres should be laying this way, but for some reason they're trying to lay this way. So it makes the light reflect off the carpet slightly different, but it is clean, but it's got some carpet pooling going on. So this room was pretty bad. The vacuum cleaner's loaded up on the van. Trust me, it got a lot of soil out. This area here is slightly wet because this was a pretty nasty traffic lane, so I had to be a little bit more aggressive on there. So it's Sunday. I wish I weren't working, but sometimes these are the things you got to do. I really appreciate a like and a subscribe, and I'll get some more videos made. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.